What's up, guys? Today we made another reaction to new glider video that came today. It's called SML YTP, the snowstorm. Okay, so the video looks like there's gonna be a snowstorm, guys, over there or the SML house, guys. Yeah, like it's gonna be a lot of snow, guys. So yeah, so we're gonna see what's gonna happen. So what's gonna happen when there's a snowstorm, guys. So yeah. Before I start the reaction, guys, make sure to go subscribe to my second channel, guys. Link up in the description. Make sure to go subscribe to my Petite channel. Link up in the description. So you guys go subscribe to him. So much for guys. But yeah, in my social media platform, in the description. So you guys can follow me on other social media. So much for guys. But yeah, and the visual video link up in the description. So you guys can watch yourself. Make sure to go subscribe to Glider if you're already subscribed. So you get 1 minute subscribers, guys. So yeah. Anyways, let's get into this reaction.
Come on, Marvin, we're all going to the beach.
Yes!
The beach while snowing? No, that's cold. Yeah, it's cold. It's snowing. We can't go to the beach. Look him out there. They're playing in the snow.
I get to see snow for the first time.
We are, Justin. We are seeing snow.
Okay?
Get
wrecked, kid!
How many tennis balls do you think I can fit in my booty hole?
69. 69.
Oh, but now
Booty hole.
Marvin's saying ice cream.
Breaking news! A storm is hitting us right now, so stay inside.
I hate that emergency alert, guys.
What the fuck?
Bring joy to the world, it's the thing to do. But the world does not revolve around
Wait,
you.
no,
Don't
I'm
be a jerk.
Who wants ice cream?
Candy ice cream.
It's Christmas.
Oh, Jimmy frustrates me so much. I finally get a day to just sit back, do crack, turn black, and not go anywhere.
How many tennis balls do you think I can fit in my booty hole?
Keep
Guys,
them outside
you want a
again.
snowball fight?
Yes!
It feels good.
Breaking
Alright.
news! There's a 100% chance of...
Guys, stay inside.
Come on, guys, let's go.
It's actually real.
Boring. You guys want to get married to a sex phone operator?
Yes!
Oh,
I'm starting to think Junior's not coming.
yes, there is a snowstorm, Jeffy. You should listen to the news.
Have you seen Jeffy?
I don't know.
Where's
Just
Jeffy?
let them out
I kind
there.
of wish I get to see snow for the first time. That would
What are you
really
talking
make my
about,
Christmas
Justin?
dream come true. I kind of wish...
What is Jeffy doing? Jeffy! Where's Jeffy?
Out there freezing.
How many tennis balls you think I can fit in my booty hole?
69.
I
69.
kind of wish...
Yeah. Why is there a snow out there? Someone's killing Jeff. Someone just cut Jeffy's legs off.
Marvin, why are you biting your pee-pee?
Biting his.
Look, Jeffy!
Why is he doing that? Someone cut his legs off.
Today's weather forecast is a sunny, no-cloud day.
Guys, it's a nice day outside. Let's go swimming.
Come on, Marvin, we're all going to the beach.
Someone edited a penis right here.
No. No, that's normal.
What if I told you this
Yeah.
is the last
That
ad?
glider right there with that logo, guys. So yeah. Okay, well this was a good SML YTP video from Glider, guys. So yeah. Anyways, just make a face your thumbnail. Okay, got it, guys. All right. Anyway, guys, that's it for the video. You guys made it for this video, so thank you for watching. So see you next time. I'm see you next time. Okay. Bye bye.